In this video, we're going to walk through batch picking in Odoo 19. Batch picking is used when you want one picker to handle multiple delivery orders in a single warehouse trip, instead of picking each order one by one. This is ideal for businesses with high order volume and repeat products, where efficiency matters. In Odoo 19, batch picking is used to improve warehouse efficiency by allowing a single picker to work on multiple delivery orders at the same time. Instead of picking each delivery separately, Odoo lets us group deliveries into a batch transfer, so products are picked in one trip through the warehouse. To enable batch picking, we first go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, and under Operations, we activate Batch, Wave, and Cluster transfers. Batch picking also requires storage locations and multi-step routes to be enabled because this is a warehouse optimization feature. Once enabled, let's look at a real example. Here, I'm in the Deliveries list, and I can see multiple delivery orders that are ready to be processed. Instead of opening them one by one, I select multiple deliveries using the checkbox on the left. Then I go to Actions, Add to Batch. Odoo now asks whether I want to add these deliveries to an existing batch or create a new one. In this case, I choose a new batch transfer. I give the batch a description, assign a responsible user, and confirm. At this point, Odoo creates a batch transfer record. This batch does not ship anything yet. It simply groups the selected delivery orders together for picking. Now, when I go to Inventory, Operations Batch Transfers, I can see the newly created batch, its status, who is responsible, and which operation type it applies to. Inside the batch, the picker can now process all related products together, reducing walking time and improving productivity. Once picking is complete, each delivery order inside the batch continues its normal flow. Packing, shipping, and validation still happen per delivery. Batch picking improves speed and efficiency, but it does not change quantities, packages, or accounting behavior. This makes batch picking ideal for warehouses handling high order volumes with stable demand. That's a practical walkthrough of batch picking in Odoo 19. This is part of our Odoo Inventory Settings course, where we explain not just how settings work, but when and why to use them in real businesses. Visit www.katylinks.com to subscribe or contact us for Odoo implementation, training, and accounting-led system setup.